guys?
Hi guys.
We're playing Animal Company with my friend Axel.
And this is my friend Gojo in VR, and I'm Mr. Aksel. Today we're gonna play Animal Company.
Yeah, and we're checking out a new update. He hasn't played in a long
Hey yo,
time.
twerk for me, boy.
Nah, bro.
Do a little.
Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Nah.
Come on, do it. Yeah.
No, bro.
Let me see those booty claps.
Okay, so he's Mr.
It's very laggy, guys. It's very
He's
laggy.
Mr. Axel, and he's trying to get 2K right now. He's
Yeah.
chilling at 1K and 50.
Yes.
So we're gonna
1.05.
start by going. We're not instantly gotta go check the mansion and all that Halloween stuff out.
I just died, so I don't know, and I used money, so I don't have it.
So we're gonna first go get some money because he's not really much with the money.
Sorry guys for the lag.
Don't mind, just don't mind the lag. I don't know what's wrong with it.
I'm stuck, bro. Bro, what the heck? The woods are turning black.
Bro, that's racist.
Bro. Why are we in the...
I found toilet paper.
What's that? It's a golden gold toilet paper?
What? No, the sun is shining on it. It's no.
Wait.
What have they done with the kid?
How did I drop? Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Oh no!
What the heck is that?
Get out! He'll chase you and punch. Okay. You take this. Put on your back. Cause I already got a umbrella. Look what my umbrella.
Is it on my back right
Look
now?
what my umbrella does. No, he's back. He's back for more.
Yo, booty clap cheeks.
Bro.
No.
When he comes over here, just do this.
I saw him.
I hear him. Yeah, that's right. That's a bad monkey.
I see him.
You died? I hate. Hold on, I'll bring the backpack with me. I have an idea. I'll buy a shotgun and I will shoot them. I'm coming.
Oh, there you are.
Take the backpack and I'm gonna go get a shotgun. Stay back. You mean the mimics? Yeah, you can kill them. Oh, they made it less expensive, but still, I had 23K, 12K.
I'm just so sorry.
Yeah, something's kind of wrong with him, I think. Oh, we did that glitch. I see him. I see that big boy. I shot him. Oh, I'm back at the entrance of the cave. Bro, come to the entrance of the cave. We're gonna use your backpack for something.
I'm here.
Put this in your backpack. It's a ruby. You gotta take off your backpack and open it, and then put it in.
How did I open it again?
No. And then close it again, and then put it on your back. Yeah, he's kind of new at the game.
Yeah, I don't play this so.
There's just toilet paper everywhere. Why toilet paper? What?
With the pepper.
Did they actually change everything?
Probably. Bro, what's that?
Flash a light over here.
Huh?
What the? Wait. Oh, he's back. Oh,
What can we do? He killed you?
no.
Oh, you shot him.
Now we gotta go quickly because he's gonna respawn. Find a way,
Oh,
find
just
a
go in
way.
circles.
What is this? Oh, I don't think he can climb. Ooh, fancy.
Fancy.
Oh no, I don't like this. I found a smackaroon.
Okay, give me.
What? Oh no, oh no, oh no.
What is it?
I see the mimic. Come on, bro, come on.
Shit.
I found a gold monkey. Bro, take the gold.
Okay, put it down.
Put it down. Put it in the bag. He is stuck, I think.
Duck?
Looks like it.
I don't want to die with this.
Big banana.
Please.
I think we should get out of here.
Should we take the big banana?
Nah, bro, that big banana ain't worth that a lot.
Bro, you got a big booty cat.
Bro, that's pretty weird.
Where are you?
Monkey, monkey,
Where did you go?
monkey.
Bro, I mean real.
I'm down.
Did you go down?
Yes, I did go down.
I can't see
I did
you.
go down on your mother. Oh, I did go down on your mother.
I
did go down on your mother.
No, bro, I'm filming right now. This isn't.
Yeah,
No,
so
you
am
can't
I.
do
I
that.
was kidding, bro. Well, like,
Yeah, I know that
this
you were
video
joking, but
can't
you
be
can't say
taken
that
down. Oh, look, a gold monkey. Well, this video can't be taken down because SML, they got more content than just this.
Where did you go, bro?
I'm disappeared, monkey.
Bro, where? Can't you just tell me?
I disappeared.
This light is glitching.
I disappeared.
You know, I see a ruby. Oh, okay, that's a big ass bomb.
Bro,
What the heck is that?
where you at, home? Where you at, dog? Oh,
Bro, that's a big ass bomb.
where? I don't see him.
In there.
Oh, what is a ruby?
You see it?
Run! It's a mimic!
Is that a mimic?
Yeah, he can jump. Go over there.
Wait.
Flash the light over there.
But the light isn't working, bro. It's so laggy.
Okay, you just put there.
Huh?
Put this in your backpack, or else I'll crack out. Big bomb! Giant, big Chinese bomb! That's not smackaroon. That's toy. No, he's coming toward us. We gotta
I fell down.
come over here, bro. Fly.
This,
Ouch. Oh, bro, we gotta get out of here.
get out. Get out. Okay, so where should we go, bro?
Oh no! I hear him. I hear a big boy. Hey, bro, chill out, bro. We don't want no trouble.
Okay.
Is he dead?
How the heck do I have so low battery already?
The mimic's dead. We can search.
I have 50% battery. I just had 45.
What the hell's the chicken doing here? I found the exit.
Bro, there's a bomb coming after you.
Oh, don't worry. I'm on high ground.
Wait,
Bro, there's a chicken in here.
where are you, bro?
Hiding. Look at the big bomb. Why is the big bomb running so slow?
Yo, bro, for real, can you please
Okay,
tell me?
chill. What is wrong with this? Bro, come check this out, homie.
I don't know where the heck you are. Oh, there you are.
Look at that big eye. Look at it. Oh no. Boom! Quickly, bro. Be careful, be careful. There's a chicken somewhere. Okay, when we get over there, we gotta click the button fast. One, go. We made it! Oh, I almost died. No, what are you doing?
I know.
Put it back in.
I just had to check. Why does it? Oh, that's a ball. Bro.
Go get your loot back, dog.
It's not mine, bro. It's ours.
Nah, bro, that's my loot, Snoop Dogg.
Nah, bro.
Snoop Dogg, Boop Dog, Putin Dog. Okay, I got the target. I shot the target! Get in there! Bro, let me buy something. Let me buy something and show you a magic trick. Well, how did I put it in? Hey, yo, bro, let me show you a magic trick. You forgot to sell a rupee. You should be. Yep. Yeah, I'm definitely taking this.
I'll get back later too. What are you doing, bro?
There's a ruby in there.
It's always the one in the middle, bro. No, it's not.
You've done your job. Now I need to kill you. I only have two bullets back. I can buy more. I don't need it no more. I have a good plan. Oh, that's my shotgun. I have a best plan ever. I'm gonna drop my things on this bomb.
You're gonna drop your balls on that bomb?
You're so weird. Okay, I can do this.
Bro, what the heck?
Okay, bye guys.